Now that we have our drainage mat installed, the next step would normally be to start laying out and installing our panels. Now, Barron Design also makes available optional trim pieces for the stone and the wood. So whenever you're installing trim pieces around the doors and windows, you want to go ahead and install all your trim first before the panels. So I'm going to show you how to measure and cut and install the trim first, then we'll get to laying out our panels. You'll need to measure, mark, and cut the trim pieces as needed. Now that I've got all my trim pieces cut to size, I'm going to put them on the wall and dry fit them, make sure everything lines up right. And then before I adhere them with the glue and the screws, I want to take a tack cloth and wipe the back of the trim pieces to remove any sawdust and loose debris to make sure we get good adhesion to the wall. Now that the trim pieces have been dry fitted, you can apply 2 beads of adhesive to the back of the trim. Set the trim pieces in place and use a slight twisting motion to ensure good contact. Next, fasten the trim to the wall by placing a screw every 16 inches as needed. Slightly recess the screw and don't over tighten. For more detailed instructions or information about these panels or any of the other great products from Barron Designs, check out their website at barrondesigns.com.